Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you a totally free recovery data software to recover any permanent deleted files. Now, the website in question is called winfree.org, so just simply come to this particular URL as you can see over here. Then scroll down and you will find the free download option. So you can absolutely bring anything if it is permanently deleted over here. As you can see, these are the things that it will bring back. It contains from JPEG, MP3, Excel, zip, anything. It even works on Windows 10, 11 and all the types of file format. But it might cause some problems in Windows below 10. So just simply keep that in mind. So again, it's a free software, so there might be some bugs in few files. So just simply keep that in mind as well. Now click on free download the file, then install it. So complete the installation process. Now after the installation is complete, just simply uncheck this box, click on finish. Now let me show you how to actually recover things. As you can see at over here, I have a pen drive, and in that pen drive I have some data like a zip and few PNGs. Let me show you how to recover them. So firstly I will format the pen drive right in front of you. You can see right over here. So as you can see, the pen drive is completely formatted and there is nothing left. Now let me show you how to recover it back. So you can do this on any drive you have on your device. I'm just simply showing you on pen drive because it's the most hardest. So just simply double click and open this up. Now just simply search for the drive that you just deleted. So it is going to be this one over here. Click on that, choose deep scan, click on additional settings. Now just simply don't do anything over here, just simply keep it as it is, click on OK, then just simply click on start recovery. But before that, create a save to folder or a recovery folder. So choose that option and just simply choose any location where you're gonna save the deleted data from pen drive or whichever drive. So I'm gonna go with D over here, then add a new folder over here. Let's name it test, then hit OK. Now this is gonna be our recovery folder. So double click open, and now it is our save to folder. Now click on start recovery. Now it's gonna take some time depending on the type of files you have, where exactly the file is, and what are the sizes of that file. So it will totally depend on all of those factors. So just be patient and wait for it to complete. So after it is completed, it will look something like this. Now you can just simply click on view recovery files, and it will bring you to the disk where you just created the test folder, and here are all of your files. As you can see, the JPEG one right over here, the MP3 if any MP3 are there, as you can see over here, and here is the zip file with all the data inside it, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.